Doja, give me all your love, oh, make I be your sponsor. Show me where they bend, oh.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my bow buns, or as I like to call it, the Minnie Mouse bow bun. So right here, I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair because I'm going to have like a little swoop bang in the front. And this hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down hairstyle, but we just going to be spicing it up a little bit. So right now, I'm going to just shut up and let y'all watch me do what I do. And yes, I see I have dandruff, so y'all don't need to come for me about that. I do have some dandruff, but don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to the hairstyle. Thank you. So I'm just sectioning my hair off. If I don't, trust me, it will find its way to get mixed back in with the other pieces. Okay, so to achieve the bow bun, you just pull your hair somewhat, not all the way through the ponytail. Then you want to break that part in half. Separate it, put them on the side, then take the excess hair that you have left out and wrap it over the middle part of where your scrunchie is, and then pin it back. And it's really just that simple. And then you go ahead and just fluff out the hair as much as you want, so you can achieve the bow look. Then after that, you just secure it with some hairpins, make sure it's locked in, and boom, baby, you got you a nice little Minnie Mouse bow. She is super cute. And here I'm just using my wand, giving myself some little, curlies, putting some wave to my hair. Oh yeah, and please use heat protectant, y'all, because yeah, I don't usually put heat on my hair, but when I do use heat protectant because I'm not trying to have no heat damage. So we got our little swoop going. So after that, I'm just gonna secure her with some hairpins too. Then we're gonna get started on the back. Okay, so I'm just going to take my wand again and get started making some curls in the ends of my hair. I just want the wave at the bottom. Give my hair a little bit, a little pizzazz. And yeah, that's really it. Yeah, so this is the whole look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. I mean, personally, I like it. I used to wear the bow buns in high school, and I think it just adds a little flavor to your hairstyle because, I mean, usually you don't see too many people walking around with a bow bun. So, I like to be different and, do my own thing despite of what people might think. I do me, and I think it's super cute. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, you know, comment, like, subscribe. I do reply to comments, so if you do got any questions or anything, just leave them down in the comments, because, you know, I love you guys, and I appreciate my subscribers. And to any new subscribers, thank you for joining the gang. I love y'all too. See you guys later. Bye.
Yohmygod.